Hello ladies, gentlemen, brothers, sisters and friends near and far. Welcome to the Offshore Fishing Channel, a place to record stormy fishing trips. Full catches of fish and the journey of fishermen to make a living in the vast ocean. Let's join together to fully experience the true and powerful beauty of life at the forefront of the wind and waves.
In the pitch-black night at sea, the lights from the small boats shone like shooting stars, illuminating the bustling scene. After hours of struggling in the wind and waves, the fishermen burst into tears when they pulled in a huge catch. The heavy nets were pulled up amid cheers that echoed throughout the sea. Fishermen cheered with excitement as they pulled the heavy nets onto their boats. Hundreds of fresh fish splashing around, creating a bustling scene in the middle of the ocean. Experienced hands began to remove the fish from the nets, preparing for a promising day of bountiful catches. Under the early morning sunlight, the strong fishermen simultaneously pulled the giant net bag out of the water, each drop of seawater splashing into the air. As the net bag touched the floor of the boat, hundreds of silver fish rushed out, sparkling and thrashing wildly. Under the bright sunlight on the vast sea, skillful fishermen coordinate with modern machinery, using giant nets to bring each batch of sparkling silver fish from the deep nets to the boat's hold. The whole system operates rhythmically and powerfully, and from the hands of the net pullers to the hydraulic cranes that lift the nets. If you love the mysterious beauty of the ocean and the amazing sea creatures, subscribe to our channel today. We bring you videos exploring the world of seafood and fish under the sea, from exotic species to breathtaking ocean moments. Under the brilliant dawn light of the sea, cheers echoed across the sand as fishermen pulled in their nets. The heavy nets bulged in the salty water. Hundreds of silver fish thrashed about, creating a lively and hopeful scene. Under the bright morning sunlight, fishermen gathered on a wooden boat, pulling the heavy net up from the sea. As the net broke the surface, schools of silver fish began to dance, splashing water all over the boat. Under the bright morning sunlight, the strong fishermen coordinated rhythmically with the powerful tractor, little by little lifting the giant net bag full of fish from the deep sea. Streams of salty water gushed out. The fish splashed white across a corner of the boat as the net bag was poured into the hold. In the middle of the blue sea, the fishermen cheered loudly when they pulled in a giant catch of tuna. Each fish, shimmering silver in the sunlight, was brought onto the boat with all the strength and coordination of the whole group. Under the gentle morning sunlight, fishermen together pull small nets sparkling with seawater onto the boat. The sound of fish splashing echoes in the peaceful space. After hours of struggling in the wind and waves at sea, the fishermen cheered happily as they pulled up a large haul of fish. Each net, heavy with silver scales glistening in the morning sunlight, was hurriedly brought into the boat's hold. Experienced fishermen stand on the boat, holding large nets. With each swing of the net, they pull up fresh fish, sparkling in the light. The fresh fish fill the boat's hold, creating a lively scene. The large net bag, overflowing with fresh fish, was poured out vigorously into the boat's hold, lighting up the space with the beautiful colors of the vibrant fish. The scene was like a vivid painting, where the fish sparkled and shone under the sunlight, creating a bustling atmosphere. If you love the mysterious beauty of the ocean and the amazing sea creatures, subscribe to our channel today. We bring you videos exploring the world of seafood and fish under the sea, from exotic species to breathtaking ocean moments. Experienced fishermen, with skillful movements, pull each net heavy with fish from the seabed onto the boat. The vast blue water seems to reflect the sparkling light from the bright fish. The fish swim happily, clinging tightly to the net, creating a vivid and colorful picture. A large school of seals emerged from the sea in the warm golden sunlight, the seals with shiny fur, occasionally waving their legs or raising their heads as if communicating with tourists. This scene made anyone who witnessed it feel excited and curious. On a boat swaying in the middle of the ocean, strong fishermen are diligently sorting the fresh fish that fills the hold. The smooth, silvery fish spill out of the containers, creating a vast sea of fish. Under the clear water, fishermen steadfastly stretch out to sea on their boats, with nets filled with fresh, sparkling fish. Strong, skillful hands pull each batch of fish, each sparkling fish from deep under the sea onto the net, then transfer them to the boat's protective compartment. The fishermen were diligently casting their nets along the calm river, not expecting that while their work was going on steadily, a sudden and surprising sight would occur. A school of small fish, with soft bodies and graceful swimming fins, suddenly appeared from under the clear water. Tons of fresh fish, transported from far-flung seas, are slowly being loaded into the holding bays, where each fish is carefully cared for in the ideal environment to maintain its freshness. Large nets were cast into the deep sea, floating in the clear water. The catch was full, promising a lucky and joyful harvest for all. Their bright smiles, along with joyful calls, under the sparkling lights of the night sky, on a boat swaying in the waves, fishermen skillfully classify each fish they have just caught. They quickly separate each type of fish, with the large fish shining silver under the lights, while the small ones are neatly placed each net basket. Fishermen diligently pulled large nets from the sea, fish glistening like pearls clinging to each mesh. With each step they took towards the small boat, the weight of the nets filled with fish made the boat sway more and more. If you love the mysterious beauty of the ocean and the amazing sea creatures, subscribe to our channel today. We bring you videos exploring the world of seafood and fish under the sea, from exotic species to breathtaking ocean moments. Under the clear ocean water, a large school of fish swam, splashing like streaks of vibrant color, gliding across the brilliant coral reefs. The school blended into a rhythmic dance, making the space under the sea seem to come alive.
Thank you everyone for joining us on our trip today. If you love life at sea, thrilling fishing and the wild beauty of the ocean, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next journeys. See you all in the next video, where the ocean continues to tell us magical stories.